Hello dear students, hope you all are well. Today we are going to study the next topic of our chapter 1 place value. The name of the topic is building numbers. Children, in our previous topic we studied about ascending and descending order. Now moving forward we will talk about how to build numbers. Children, you may have seen some locks with numbers on them. A number lock can be opened without a key. It does not need a key. It uses secret number that it has been set to. Children, there was a girl called Anu. She bought a number lock and wants to set a secret key on it using only the digits 3, 8, 9, 6, 2. Let us help her to set the secret number. Children, what if Anu wants to make greatest number as her secret number? Since she has 3, 8, 9, 6, 2, that is 5 digits with her, that means the secret key will be of 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us give the names of the places according to the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. To build the greatest number, place the greatest digit in the greatest place. Now children, as you know, out of these numbers, 9 is the greatest number. So we are going to keep this 9 at the greatest position over here. After this, the next number is 8 as the greatest number out of all these digits. So we are going to place 8 over here. Then comes 6. Then 3. And in the end, we are going to place 2. Now, let us put the commas according to the Indian system, which comes after the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So, the secret key, if Anu wants to make it as a greatest number, it will be 98,632. But children, what if Anu wants to make a smallest number as her secret key? Again, we will draw 5 places as 5 digits are given. And let us give its place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Now, we have to take the smallest number over here in the greatest place. So, the smallest number out of all these digits is 2. We are going to keep this 2 at the greatest place. So, here comes 2. The next number which is bigger than 2 is 3. So, we are going to place 3. Then 6, 8 and 9. According to the Indian system, we will place the comma. So, what will be the secret key? If she keeps smallest number as a secret number, it will be 23,689. Now, I'm sure children, you are getting bored since you don't have anything to do at home. So, at home only, you can play a game. Let us discuss that game. What are you going to do is make 2 sets of digit cards from 0 to 9. This is, you are going to take a square shaped paper and write down one digit on one paper. Over here, suppose you have written 0. Similarly, you are going to make these kind of chits numbering from 0 to 9. Children, make 2 sets of these digit cards. Then you are going to fold these papers and shuffle them. Now, each player will pick 5 cards and rearrange them to greatest number possible. Compare your numbers. The player with greatest number gets a point. In the next round, you have to make a smallest number. Similarly, you can play for 5 rounds and the player who gets the maximum point is the winner. You can play this game with your parents, your brother, your sister, or anybody at your home. So enjoy. Now children, let's take another example. Now we have again 5 different digits. 2, 8, 3, 0, 1. Using these 5 digits, I have to make a greatest number and a smallest number. Since I have 5 digits, I am going to draw 5 places. Similarly, for smallest number also, let us give its place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Now children, for greatest number, as I told you earlier, we are going to search for the greatest number among all these digits. Now, which is the greatest digit out of these? It is 8. So, it will come at the first place. Then, after that, 3. Then 2, 1 and finally 0. Putting the comma, how can I read this number as? 83,210, which is my greatest number. Now let us talk about the smallest number. Children, the smallest digit among all these is 0. Then 1, 2, 3 and finally 8. What I have studied, according to that, this should be the sequence to make smallest number. But children, what I observed over here, that when 0 comes at the first place, it becomes a 4-digit number instead of 5-digit number. Why? Because 0 doesn't have any value. But we want to construct a 5-digit number. So what I am going to do is, instead of placing the 0 at the first position, I am going to place the 0 at the second position. So my number will become 1, 0, 2, 3, 8. And how I am going to read this number? I am going to place the comma. Now my number will be called as 10,238. So remember, whenever you have the 0 in the given digits and you have asked to construct a smallest number, 0 will not come at the beginning of the number as it has no value. Okay, children? Okay, let's take another example. Now I have 3 digits with me. 1, 8 and 7. And the condition given to me is that digits may be repeated. I can repeat the digits. Fine. Again I have to make greatest 5-digit number. That means 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smallest 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since over here repetition is allowed, so which is my greatest number over here? It is 8. I have 3 digits with me. So what I am going to do? I am going to repeat the greatest digit over here 3 times according to the condition. So it will be 8, 8, 8. After that 7 and finally 1. My number will be called as 88,871. Similarly, to construct a smallest 5-digit number, I am going to repeat the smallest digit 3 times, which is 1. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 7 and 8. The number will be read as 11,178. Children, I hope you understood this concept of building numbers. Now, you are going to solve exercise 1C, which is given on page number 17 in your fair notebooks. Take care.